Brought out Dottie. We're gonna go ahead and he's gonna do the headliner. I'm gonna put the door panels and the kick panels in. So you already know. Luis. So you rough it up so that it grabs better.
What happened? Mira, ¿pa' dónde tú vas, cabrona?
Alright, so here we go. It's already all tucked in. We gotta get a little prep saw. We'll clean this up. And he's cutting that now. He's gonna finish it, trimming it, and then flatten it out. But it's pretty much ready to go. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's hard to tell that it's the same exact material. So color match to the T. Stay tuned. Up next, the door panel. So this is what we're gonna use to fasten the doors. So, quite a special tool to make them. So. Alright, so the door panel's in. As you can see, this is what Danny wanted to do, was with the buttons. They look incredible. I really like that. I like how all the chrome looks.
Mano, yo tengo unos diseños, mano. Deja que tú veas los diseños que yo he hecho, mano. Pero este...
And there you go. It's all done. Headliner's in. Door, kick panel, the shelf. Not bad.